Hey, welcome to the Friday, May 14th edition of the Soul Sister Channel's Astrological Forecast. Welcome, my name is Kat. Let's get started by connecting to our higher selves and becoming more balanced and aligned. Let's get started by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Good. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Good. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies and being replaced by this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. This bubble fills our entire body, and then it goes out and forms a protective circle, a protective bubble of white light around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration and negativity back to its source. Now, while we are in this beautiful space of peace and white light connected to our higher selves, let's work on being abundant by saying, I am abundant. Everything I desire, everything I require is available to me from the universe. Let's say it together again and sit in this space for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I am abundant. Everything I desire, everything I require is available to me from the universe. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now, let's talk about this being abundant. It's not this deal where we sit back on our couch and we throw back a couple of brewskis and we say to our higher selves, yeah, I want to win $1 million, okay? Or, yeah, I want to be the CEO of that company, okay? No. Abundance, there's a little rule that a little bit in the fine print that maybe we don't see, and that is it's a co-creation. We have to do our part in abundance. So if we want $1 million, then we have to buy the lotto ticket. But there's a little bit more to it to that. But you have to do something. You can't just sit back and think somebody's going to knock on your door and make all your wishes come true. We have to do our part. If we want to be a nurse, we have to go to nursing school. We can't just be a nurse by sitting on our bums. Okay, you get the idea? It's a co-creation. We have to do our part. Number one, well, actually the bigger number one is we have to get out of our own way and believe we are abundant. So, I wanted to give you that little tip. Oh, I also wanted to bring these things. I keep forgetting to cover them up, but you know, it is the Taurean energy. I'm using it to the fullest. I'm out there using my chainsaw and my hedge trimmers, and I'm getting my backyard all beautified for that Taurean energy so I can have my safety, security, and beautifully aesthetic backyard. So that's my battle scars. I fight with a bougainvillea and I never win. I'm about ready to chainsaw that sucker right out of here. Anyway, enough about me. Let's talk about the energy today. We have the big energies that we've been working on. We've got beautiful Jupiter and Neptune in Pisces. Jupiter joined Neptune yesterday in Pisces for a wonderful couple of months of exploring our spiritual abundance. So we have the Tarian abundance of our physical world, and we now are getting into discovering our spiritual abundance. We're also working on the gorgeous energy of Pluto retrograde, of Pluto digging up all our baggage, all our unresolved issues, so that we can heal, transform, or release them. We've got that energy going on. And then, of course, overhanging the whole year, we have Saturn in Aquarius square, Uranus in Taurus, the old ways versus the new age, the new ways, and the new age versus the old age. So we have all those energies hanging over us today, but today we have the moon is moving into Cancer. So we sit back and it's all about emotional security. What makes me feel emotional secure? That's where our unconscious thoughts, that's where we're going to be focused unconsciously today. Also, the energy is about nurturing self. We always have to nurture self first. It is not selfish. We have to do it. We have to care for self first. If we don't care for self, we can't take care of anyone else. If we are overdoing it, or if we are overextending ourselves, we're going to crash and burn. Who is that going to help? So this energy of today, Friday, and tomorrow, Saturday, is about getting in touch with what makes me feel emotionally secure in my life, in my partnership, what makes me feel emotionally secure at work. And also, we are going to want to nurture others. There's a tendency to be more compassionate and reaching out to others and helping those in need. Also nurturing to our children, our families. There is a tendency with this energy, that's all the positive use of this beautiful moon and Cancer energy. But the negative side is a tendency, if we're not feeling emotionally secure, if we're not feeling nurtured, what that is going to look like is us being very needy and very dependent. So watch out for the negative energy of the moon in Cancer on this Friday and Saturday. Now, as we move through this wonderful week, gosh, it was such a great uplifting week. We got a great spiritual boost this week. We're getting started on working on, again, if we haven't already, on our relationship with our higher self. If we have started, we're going to strengthen that. We're going to make our relationship with our higher self more important and make it a priority in our lives. Are we not? Let's see what the spirit guides would like to share with us today for this Friday and this Saturday. Rainbow blessings. Blessings are showering our lives. Yay! I like that card. And miracles too. Woohoo! Miracles. Wow. And answering the call. Wow. What great energy to end a great spiritually uplifted week. Hopefully we are utilizing that spiritual energy to help us grow more connected and more aligned with our higher selves. We are so blessed. And so today and tomorrow, while we're in the space of emotional security and nurturing ourselves and others, let's be thankful. Gratitude is an incredibly powerful tool, as we've talked about on this channel. Gratitude. Be grateful for your emotional security. Be grateful for your home and your family. Be grateful that others are nurturing us and caring for us. Miracles are everywhere. All we have to do is get out of our own way so that we can see it. And as we develop our relationship with our higher self, man, they will become more and more prominent in our lives. And some of us have been working on this for a long time. We had a new moon on Tuesday. Some of us are looking at major life changes. We've been working on this for quite some time. This major life change may be in a relationship that no longer is working or supporting us. It could be at a job in which we just feel unappreciated and stuck. It could be a situation that we need to move out of that is kind of keeping us down and suppressed. We have been given new opportunities. These opportunities may not be and probably are not traditional, are not what we are familiar with. And we have been pondering, and I had to look this word up the other day, how to spell it, kvetching, Kvetching. Crazy spelling. We've been kvetching about it. Now is the time. We've had the new moon energy. Now is the time to make the choice. As long as you have the guidance of spirit guide, of your higher self, you're connected, and you surrender to that energy, you cannot go wrong. So, miracles abound, blessings abound, new opportunities abound. Oh my goodness, what a great week and weekend. Please come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. Remember this, you guys. This is so important because it is the bottom line of the whole spiritual journey. Everything starts from inside. Life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great Friday and Saturday. Enjoy home and family and security. I will see you on Sunday. Namaste.